What's up, guys? Second day of the vlog, second vlog of our life. Got Kaylee and Maddie in the back.
Hi.
They came home from school, didn't film any of that boring stuff in the beginning. But now we're gonna be on our way to stick time, which they will be doing. And we'll see you guys in a bit.
Now the tables have turned.
And just like that, we're at the rings. Time to do a little stick time.
I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. You gonna work hard? You gonna skate hard? Alright, we'll see them skating in a bit. Who's gonna help me?
Hey.
Now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space. I need you here by my side. You make me sweat in the coldest of nights, yeah. I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Feelings all turned upside down. I guess I'm the needy one now. Feelings all turned upside down. I guess I'm the needy one, needy. Now the tables have turned.
How's stick time?
Good.
Did you work hard?
Yeah.
It looks like you did. You all sweaty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well, I think that'll end the vlog for today.
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, and then get food.
Oh, then get food. But I don't think we're gonna film anymore, are we? Alright. Who's gonna eat the camera?
Me.
Who's gonna eat the camera?
Me.
You? Alright, ready, set, go.